السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Muhammad Haris. I am studying class 5 at Madrasatul Muhajirin Misbahul Ulum. Today I want to speak a very important topic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursalin. نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يؤتي الحكمة من يشاء ومن يؤت الحكمة فقد أوتي خيرا كثيرا وما يذكر إلا أولو الألباب وقال تعالى في آية أخرى يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من سلك طريقا يلتمس فيه علما سهل الله به طريقا إلى الجنة. Dear respected teachers, beloved students and brothers in Islam, seeking knowledge, Islam teaches us that learning is a great of worship. The first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra. Read. This shows how much Allah loves knowledge. Beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Seeking knowledge is a duty upon every Muslim. This means everyone of us, young or old, must try to learn with knowledge. Knowledge brings light. Without knowledge, a person walks in darkness. With knowledge, we understand what is right and what is wrong. We learn how to pray, how to speak, how to live, and how to behave. Our madrasa is a blessing. Madrasatul Muhajirin Misbahul Ulum is a place of Arabic, Urdu, Burmese, English, and Islamic studies. This madrasa is a blessing from Allah for all religions. We must respect our teachers and put us on time and study with a clean heart. With winners, with knowledge. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught that knowledge without knowledge is not complete, so we must speak politely, help others, follow rules, respect teachers and classmates, keep the madrasa clean. Knowledge leads to Jannah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever knows a path to seek knowledge, Allah will set the path to Jannah easy for him. This means if you are studying for the sake of Allah, He will reward you in this life and the hereafter. Be thankful to Allah. Many children in the world do not have a chance to study, but Allah has given us a madrasa, teachers, and books, and safety. We must thank Allah and use this opportunity wisely. Let us make a promise today. We will study hard, obey teachers, improve our character, and use our knowledge to families and to help our families and our communities. May Allah bless Madrasatul Muhajirin Misbahul Ulum, its teachers, its students, and all supporters. May Allah make our knowledge large for us. May Allah increase us in wisdom understanding and beneficial knowledge. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.